Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to use the date command on Linux server. The first thing I would like to show you how to display the current date and time. Then, how to customize the output format of the date command by providing another option on the command line. And finally, I would like to show you how to modify the date and time. So, here I'm on my console. I want to type the date command with no additional options. So this command displays the day of the week, it's Tuesday, followed by the current date, so 25 January, the local time 20 o'clock with 20 minutes 55 seconds, the abbreviation of the time zone CET, and the year. By default, the date command displays the local time. So if I want to display the time in UTC, the universal time, I have to use another option, -U, and as you can see now, is the UTC time, or -UTC is the same command, the same. You can use -U or -UTC. So, and now, to customize the format of the display information, I have to add another option on my command line. It will be like this: double quote plus double quote format and double quote. So, concerning the format, if I want to show the hour format, for example, I would use %sign and H, and this command will display the hours. So now it's 8 o'clock in the evening. If I want to show or display the minute and the second, I must add %sign M and %sign S. So it's for hours it's 20, 4 minutes 23, and 4 seconds 16 seconds. If I retype the same command, and now 30 seconds. So on the month, and also I can add a minus between the hour and the minutes and the seconds. So add now, or double points. It's more cool, more beautiful now. So concerning the format for the date, I would like to add %sign and Y to display the year 2022. It's a 2020. It's 2022 by default. I have to set the time on my server. To display the month, I %sign with a small m. And to display the day of the month, %sign with a small d. I, and I can add minus minus, so I can use this format to display the year, the month, and the day of the month. I can also clear my screen. I can use the F percentage sign, then F, to display the full date, and percentage sign and the full T and T to display the full time, the full date for percentage sign F and the full time for percentage sign and T. So now for the last point in this video, I would like to show you how to change the current time. To change, we can type the date command, then minus set option, and then we change the time. So I want to use it's 6 double point 30 minutes and 30 seconds. And now, as you can see, I changed the time on my server. Date is this. So the time is changed. To change the date, the same thing. I have just to type the year 2020 minus 02, for example, for the month, and for the day, it's of the month, say 20 or 22, for example, 22. And now the output is 22 February 2020. It's all for this video. Thank you for watching. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.